So why is it that I like this treadmill, this actually walking pad so much? Number one, because it comes with wheels. So you can see that you can transport and move it from rooms, like and move it from between rooms if you want, like from your home office, or if you want to do it like in your living room, or just want to go to the gym or things like that. It's super easy to move. Number two, because it also comes with accessories right here. They are good for inclination, so you can actually put it in hiking mode if you need, and incline this part over here and a little bit on the back as well, so you can actually work on that and have a different workout. Number three is a 2.5 HP motor, which is really quiet, and it goes from a range to 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, meaning that you can actually use this for, I want to say, like fast pacing walking. So it's really good to put it kind of like underneath your home office desk, for example. If you have one of those standing desks, you can actually put it underneath and walk while working and just like taking a meeting or something like that, because it's also super quiet. It comes with a display right here. I'm going to show it to you in a close up in a few seconds, so you can actually see the speed, the time, the distance, and the calories. So that's super good. And number four, it comes with a remote controller, which I think is the most convenient thing. Let's take a closer look, and I'm also going to show you why this is my perfect setup. As I was telling you before, it comes with a remote controller, and this one supports up to 340 pounds, so that's actually quite a lot. So you turn it on, it goes on a countdown, as you can see the display over there, and it starts in kind of like the slower one, which is the 0.6, and then you can actually turn off the volume if you need and ramp it up a little bit. It comes with a super strong belt, as you can see over here. It's a 5-level belt, so it's actually quite good. And then you can modify the speed with the remote controller, as you can see over here. So it goes up to the 3.8 miles per hour, which is a really nice fast-paced walking speed.